What's up, guys? It's Brian with Waterscape. I want to show you this pondless water feature that I just finished up here in Austin, Texas. Check this out. This pondless was put in place of an existing cement pond that leaked. It was a little bit of an eyesore for the area. This pondless was made from a medium pondless kit. With the medium-sized kit, you can create water features up to about 16 feet in length. This one in particular is 12 feet from the basin. The basin is right down here. The vault for the pump is right in there as well, so those little rocks come right up and you can access the pump. We created the illusion that the water just wants to keep going down like a dry creek. This is built mostly with Oklahoma boulders, so I love the little crevices, the detail in these. How the water just splits around the rocks. So much to look at. Be perfect for enjoying right here with the bench, and also will help cut out the road noise as well. And also when they're sitting out here at the patio. For more information, check out our website, waterscapeatx.com and waterscape.biz. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.